Hello, we are at Texas State Technical College. Let's discuss general safety tips when dealing with an air conditioning unit. Whether it is the air conditioner unit itself or members of your family, safety is important and should be a consideration for all homeowners. Always keep combustible material and debris away from the indoor unit. You'll also want to keep debris, high grass, hedges, and fencing away from the outside unit. These objects can impact the system's ability to function properly. A good thing to keep in mind is to have pets separated from the outside unit. They can and will chew on air conditioning wires. Pet urine can also ruin the air conditioning unit. To avoid costly repairs, it is best to isolate the unit from pets. For more information about air conditioning safety or to contact an AirServe near you, visit airserve.com.